Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all would be sounding good. You all would be in flying colors with the grace of Almighty Allah, and warm welcome to eVision Institute of Learning. It is a teamwork organized by Mrs. Asma Sheikh. As we are offering basic to advanced level English grammar and creative writing course. Objectives of our course is to improve listening, reading, creative writing, and finally speaking. Outline of this course is this course is divided in two levels, level 1 and 2, and in first level content to be covered is detailed parts of speech, tenses, practical grammar, auxiliary and modal auxiliary verbs, sentence structure and vocabulary, translations Urdu to English and English to Urdu language, and finally creative writing. And in level 2, the content that will be covered, voices, active and passive voice of tenses and practical grammar, narrations, direct and indirect, descriptive and creative writing, and eventually vocabulary building. Okay, as we are offering this English grammar and creative writing course to the students, so a number of questions could arise in your mind that why you should learn English grammar, कि आपको English grammar क्यों सीखनी चाहिए. So, in my point of view, not only you should, but you have to learn it. You have to learn it in order to write and speak without errors, and by making correct sense. That way you wanna say, and you are talking about which tense. कि अगर आप mistakes and errors के बगैर लिखना और बोलना चाहते हैं और listen करना चाहते हैं किसी को ताकि आपको बात समझ आ सके, that's what you should learn English grammar. और ये भी बता सकें कि आप किस टेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, either it is present, past or future. Why it is important to learn English grammar? This question could also arise in your mind कि इसकी अहमियत क्या है, हमें ये क्यों सीखना चाहिए. Okay, for the importance of English grammar, let's take an example. Imagine you are trying to build a house with woods, but no nails, screws or glue are here. So, how could the structure hold together? कि आप एक घर बनाना चाह रहे हैं, वुड्स का घर बना रहे हैं, लेकिन उन वुड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, उनको बाइंड करने के लिए आपके पास कोई टूल नहीं है, कोई ग्लू, कोई नेल्स, कोई स्क्रू वगैरह नहीं है, तो आप कैसे उसको जोड़ सकते हैं? Obviously it won't, it would fall to pieces. तो वो गिर जाएंगी, लकड़ियाँ सारी गिर जाएंगी. That's what it's like to write and speak in English language without proper grammar. Each sentence is just a jumbled pile of words, and each word is playing a specific role in the sentence. कि हर एक लफ्ज़ एक जुमले के अंदर एक ख़ास किरदार अदा कर रहा होता है. हर एक वर्ड का कोई ना कोई काम होता है एक जुमले के अंदर. So it is the importance to learn English grammar and creative writing course. Next question could rise in your mind, what if we don't learn English grammar? कि अगर हम ये नहीं सीखते तो क्या होगा? Obviously, if you don't learn it, there would be a number of grammatical mistakes whenever you write and whenever you will speak, and you would be unable to convey your message to the next person. कि जब आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगी, आपको रूल्स का नहीं पता होगा, तो आप अपना मैसेज करेक्ट वे में नेक्स्ट पर्सन को कन्वे नहीं कर सकेंगे. And another question could arise in your mind, will it be easy to learn or not? क्या इसको सीखना आसान होगा या नहीं? Yes, of course, it is easy for the person who wanna learn it by heart. Then there would be no difficulty, and nothing is impossible for the committed person. कि अगर कोई शख्स इरादा कर ले इसको सीखने का तो फिर कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. And the course, which we designed regarding English grammar and creative writing, will help you a lot to learn in easy way. But the condition is you would have to pay full attention and punctuality is essential. Otherwise, it won't be easy for one to learn in very short pace of time. Features regarding English grammar and creative writing course is this course will be through WhatsApp group. Lecture would be delivered on alternative days, 3 days a week. And this course is basically designed for the students and for the learners who are studying something or who are employing, and it is for those who could easily manage the time. So that's what we scheduled this course in this way. Lecture would be comprising of exercises and material to be practiced, assessed and evaluated. And at the end of the successful completion, e-certificate will be issued to the students. Duration is 12 weeks or 3 months for each level. And fee for English grammar and creative writing course is Rs 1500 only per month. Now it depends on you if you feel that you need to learn. So grab this opportunity by enrolling yourself in order to listen correctly, to read by understanding, to write creatively without grammatical mistakes, to speak without hesitation of mistakes. Okay, another certified spoken English language and confabulation skills training is being offered by eVision Institute of Learning and its duration is 1 month. Objectives of spoken English language and communication skills training is to improve listening, removal of voice and body hesitation, confidence development, accent improvement, and fluency. Outline of certified spoken English language and confabulation skills training for 1 month is listening and speaking skills, removal of speaking hesitation, confidence development, communication skills, accent development, difference between British and American accent, reduction rules of American accent, pronunciations, practical grammar, story reading, topic confabulation, and eventually improvement of fluency. Features regarding this course is this course will also be through WhatsApp group. Lecture would be delivered on alternative days, 3 days a week, and lecture would be comprising of instructions regarding speaking English and questions related to specific topic for confabulation, and live session will be on weekend on Saturday, and at last certificate will be issued to the students at the successful completion of this training. Fee for this spoken English language and confabulation skills training is Rs 2500 only. And contact for registration. The WhatsApp number has been given. You can see, and you can enroll yourself by contacting to Ma'am Asma.